how's everybody doing? My name is Tom Rinaldi, one of the sales and applications guys here at Broudy Precision. Today we're going to go on a little walk of our warehouse, show off how we stock stuff, why we stock stuff, and some of our operations. We're going to walk through. You may meet some of our people, you may see what we do, and help you learn a little more about us. All right, we're going to start with up front here, our Tridium Niagara closet. This is usually what everyone likes to see first. So in this closet here, this is one of two for us. We stock everything from Jaces to the ancillary items to edge controllers. So inside, as you can see, we stock a fair amount of Jaces, edge controllers, all the power supplies and modules that you ever may need. This is our biggest closet. So our second Jace closet, Tridium closet, is this guy here. At any one time, we have from 100, 200, 300 Jaces between a couple different brands in stock, and all of the different cards and modules that you may need. Alrighty, in this aisle here, this is the start of all our controller stocking across our different brands. So if you look here on this side, these are all Honeywell spiders. At any one time, we could have high hundreds to thousands of spiders in stock. This is the start of it here. Across here, we have the beginning of our Johnson controllers across the PC controller line. We have some Prolon controllers and also our Tosiboxes. All right, up here in our shipping area is another very important part of our warehouse. This is Ryan. Ryan controls what goes in and out of the warehouse on a daily basis, so he's a good guy to know. All right, as we walk back, you'll see that most of our brands are separated out to specific areas. As we go, you'll see right here, this is all job staging area. So these are jobs that are getting staged up to head on out the door. Okay, this whole section here is all Honeywell. So this is all field devices for Honeywell. So sensors, valves, actuators, VFDs, residential thermostats, all of that is in this area here, this big square. Okay, so this part here of our Honeywell section is most of our valves and actuators, our Honeywell valves and actuators. So as you can see, we stock some pretty big stuff. VGFs here, these are big flange globe valves. Down through this aisle here is some of our smaller stuff, some of our ball valves. So things like 3-inch screw ball valves with actuator, pretty much all of the sizes up from zone valves all the way through 6-inch. We have in stock right here in these couple aisles. So this section here, all of these pink bags are ACI sensors. We have 3 or 4 aisles of them, just about every put up, every size, and every medium. So as we come back through this section here, we have a couple different brands. This first aisle here, this whole aisle is all functional devices from relays, transformers, power supplies. Here, this is Johnson field devices. As you can see, anything from valves and actuators to thermostats from Johnson. Across this side here is our Watts, Maxitrol, McDonald Miller stuff, all right here. So this aisle here, you have EasyIO all on this side. You have Schneider Electric through here, and then System Sensor to finish it off. This section here is all Belimo. So we have Belimo sensors all on here, different size, different put-ups, different mediums. This is all actuators and valve actuator combos from small zone valves on up to much larger valves. Part of the Belimo section is our zone tights. So we stock hundreds and hundreds of these in 2-way, 3-way, spring return, non-spring return, just about everything Belimo offers, we stock in the zone tights. This corner section here is starting with some overstock for Johnson controls. So again, this is more PC controllers all through here. We have Genesis wire all down that aisle. Next to that is our popular Yeti cooler and Yeti cup aisle. Beyond that, we have our panels and our panel shop. This back section here is some more staging area for jobs going out. We have Panasonic mini splits and VRF. We have Johnson VAV boxes, and then we also stock all of our VFDs back here. We have a couple different manufacturers for VFDs. We stock from fraction of horsepower up to about 75 horsepower with and without bypass.
Thanks everybody for taking the time to tour the warehouse here with me today. If you'd like to learn some more about the fun stuff we do over here at Broudy Precision, please feel free to check out our website, and also please follow us on our socials. Thank you.